Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to see Betterment Hall ticket. First, navigate to the official website of your examination board. This is the primary portal for all official announcements and documents. You'll want to locate the specific section designated for hall tickets or admit cards, usually found prominently on the home page or under an Admissions or Examinations tab. This ensures you are on the correct and secure platform. Once you've found the hall ticket section, you'll need to input your personal details. Typically, this includes your registration number, which is a unique identifier, or your hall ticket number from a previous examination. You will also need to enter your date of birth, ensuring it matches the format requested, like day, month, year. Finally, complete any simple security verification, such as a CAPTCHA, to proceed. After submitting your details, your Betterment Hall ticket should appear on your screen. Take a moment to carefully verify all the information, including your name, exam center, and timings, to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, proceed to download the hall ticket as a PDF file. It is highly recommended to print at least 2 copies for your records and for presentation at the examination center. Remember to always carry a valid photo identification, such as an Aadhaar card or passport, along with your printed hall ticket to the examination center. If you notice any discrepancies on your hall ticket, contact the examination board's support team immediately for assistance. Also, regularly check the official website for any last-minute updates or important announcements regarding your examination.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.